Hey, good morning everybody. Crash Outdoors here. Isn't this weather just amazing? I mean, look at it. Gorgeous weather. From rain to nice bluebird sky. This is great. Today is day 9 of the 100-day 100 push-up challenge, where I do 100 push-ups every day for 100 days. And I'll be honest, I feel like just crawling back into bed right now. But because you guys are there, you guys are pushing me, you guys are motivating me, thank you so much. So without further ado, here's day 9 of the push-up challenge. Alright guys, there you have it. Another day down of the 100 days, 100 push-up challenge, day 9. Alright guys, I want to take this time to thank you so much for your positive feedback over the past week. I really do appreciate it. It's motivation for me to keep on going, keep on doing this, seeing this challenge all the way through until the end. I can't thank you guys enough. Also, I want to thank my beautiful fiance, Tiffany. Babe, without you, I don't think I'll ever make it through this. Thank you for your support and everything I do. I love you, babe. Alright guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any feedback for me, please put it in the comment section below. I love constructive criticism. Alright guys, I'll see you tomorrow for day 10 of the 100-day 100 push-up challenge. Alright guys, see you tomorrow.